Here. Undo Send used to be a lab. So if I click here on Settings and then Settings, you can see Labs over here on the right hand side. I'm going to click it. And Labs, as is said here, are some crazy experimental stuff. Although some of these crazy things have been around for several years now. and undo send was one of these, but now it's graduated from being a lab to being in the general tab. So along with things like reply all, behavior, conversation view, you've now got, and for a while now, undo send within here. Currently it's not turned on for me, okay, and I'm going to show you what happens if you turn it on. I'm going to tick the box there, and it's on 10 seconds. You've got some choices. I'll leave it on 10 seconds, that's good for my demo. And obviously anything I change here, I need to save my changes, otherwise my changes will not be saved. So now it's on. There's no real indication that it's on, apart from I remember I turned it on. So if I click compose, and I'm going to send an email to my colleague Mark, and I'm going to make the subject just something simple like number 1. Okay, now I want you to watch this part of the screen up here. When I click send, it's going to wait, okay, and I can click undo. If I'm not clicking it, but if I did click undo, I've got a chance to bring it back. Now it's gone. So if I go and look in sent mail, you can see to mark number 1, and that's the email sent. But I did have that time to stop it. So back to inbox, click compose, and I'll send to Mark again, this time number 2. Okay, and this time I will interrupt it. So we've got 10 seconds. So how many are it now? 3, 4, 5. I can click undo, and it will actually, it says sending has been undone, and it's brought it back into the editor. So actually it's not, I don't think it should be called undo send, it should be called delay send. All it's doing really is delaying the send. So, you know, this is for people who feel like they're going to click send when they weren't ready. Classic thing, maybe you haven't added an attachment or something, or just as you click send you think I've said the wrong thing. You know, so I might say, here is the attachment. Okay, and if I click send now, and I suddenly realize, I didn't add the attachment, I can click undo and bring it back again. And that is essentially it. You can obviously change the timings on here. So I could change it to 5 seconds so it's quicker, or make it 30 seconds so it's longer. So let's just go with the 5 seconds. Click Save Changes. Open up my edit again. Click Send. So it should be on 5 seconds now, so I can just get in and I can get back to it again. Click Send. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should go. There we go. About 5 seconds, and it's been sent now. So I can't pull it back now. And this is not related to the recall message you can get in some Microsoft systems. This really is just delaying sending it and giving you a second chance to pull it back before you let it finally go. And just to prove it's gone, we'll look in here and you can see here's number 2. And that is today's tip. So to recap, settings, and looking here, undo send, you either enable it or you disable it. If you make a change, you must come down here and save changes. And that's the tip.